name is Aman. I'm from the United States, and this is my CS50 final project. I've created a sorting visualizer, and I've done this by using some JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So here you can see the main page where I have a random array, and for each of the values in the random array, I've rendered some bars here. We have some user inputs up at the top, and we can manipulate this random array by changing the size. We can see here as the size is smaller, it's reflected on the graph there, and as the size gets larger, it spreads out and we have more bars. Now, as the size increases drastically, we can see that the size of the bars shrinks so that it flexes to fit the page. Next, we can select our sorting algorithm. Here we have a variety of different sorting algorithms. So for the example, we can do quick sort, and we also have the ability to determine how long we want this algorithm to work, what the sorting time will be. So this will be a quicker sorting time, and this will be a longer sorting time. So for the purpose of this example, I'll set this right around here. Now here we have two buttons. One we can use to generate a new array, and lastly to visualize what this would look like. So here we have some colors and some movement on the array. We have two bars that are, one or two bars being highlighted in yellow, which represents what's being moved around, and one of the bars is highlighted in red, which represents the pivot point for this specific algorithm. Up at the top, we see that the user inputs have now been grayed out. So if I try to change the size, or I try to change the sorting algorithm, or create a new array in the middle of this run, I am not able to do that until this finishes. So we can wait until this is done, and now we see that the user inputs are re-enabled. I can select different sorting time, and upon completion we see that the graph is now sorted, and it is highlighted in green, representing that it's a sorted graph. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my CS50 final project.